Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. In this video, we're going to look at how to manage payments in the Accounts Payable module of MYOB Advanced. You can make a payment manually on the Checks and Payments screen, but the usual process for making a single payment would be to generate a payment from an open bill. Open the bill on the Bills and Adjustments screen, and then click Pay Bill from the Actions menu. This creates a new payment and takes you to the Checks and Payments screen where you can edit it and process it further. The payment method and other financial details default to those of the supplier, but you can edit any details as you need to. The Load Documents button loads all unpaid bills or adjustments from the supplier. As with most other areas in the MYOB Advanced system, you can set up an approvals process for payments. If a payment requires approval, this must be done by a user with the right privileges, then the payment can be processed. For a single payment, click Print Check from the Actions drop-down to go to the Process Payments and Print Checks screen. Click Process. Depending on the payment method, the system will either generate and display check documents for you to print out, or for electronic payments, it will take you to the Batch Payments screen where you can create an export file for electronic banking. We've looked at the process of making a single payment, but you can use the Process Payment screen to make multiple payments at once. Select a payment method, and all payments that use that method are displayed below. You can then click Process All, or select a subset of payments and click Process to print checks or create payment batches for all of the selected payments in one operation. These process screens can be added to schedules in the same way as the process screens in other modules, so that you can automate the payments process in whatever way you want. And that's the end of our look at making payments in MYOB Advanced. If you want to learn more, visit the MYOB Advanced Education Centre, or see the other videos in our Advanced Academy series for more information on the purchasing and bill payment process. Thanks for watching.